Coral reef is an underwater ecosystem characterized by reef-building corals. Reefs are formed of colonies of coral polyps held together by calcium carbonate. Most coral reefs are built from stony corals, whose polyp cluster in groups. Coral belongs to class Anthozoa in the animal phyla Cnidaria, which include sea anemones and jellyfish. Unlike sea anemones, corals secreted hard carbonate skeleton that support and protect the coral. Most reefs grow best in warm, shallow, and clear, sunny and agitated water. Coral reef first appeared 485 million years ago at the dawn of the early Ordovician, displacing the microbial and sponge reefs of the Cambrian, sometimes called rainforest of the sea. Shallow coral reef from some of Earth's most diverse ecosystem. They occupy less than 0.1% of the world ocean area, about half of the area of France, yet they provide a home for at least 25 of all marine species, including fish, mollusks, worms, crustaceans, echinoderms, sponges, tunicates, and other cnidarians. Coral reef flourish in ocean water that provide few nutrients. They are most commonly found at shallow depth in tropical waters, but deep waters and cold water coral reef exist on smaller scales in other areas. Coral reef deliver ecosystem service for tourism, fisheries, and shoreline protections. Coral reef are fragile, partly because they are sensitive to water conditions. They are under threat from excess nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus, rising temperature, oceanic acidification, overfishing. Example from blast fishing, cyanide fishing, spear fishing on scuba. Sunscreen use as and harmful land use practice. Most coral reefs were formed after the last glacial period, when melting ice caused sea level to rise and flood continental shelves. Most coral reefs are less than 10,000 years old. As communities established themselves, the reef grew upward, pacing rising sea level. Reefs that rose too slowly could become drowned without sufficient light. Coral reefs are found in the deep sea, away from continental shelves, around oceanic islands and atoll. The majority of these islands are volcanic in origin. Others have tectonic origin, where plate movement lifted the deep ocean floor. The structure and distribution of coral reef. Charles Darwin set his theory for the formation of atoll reef, an idea he conceived during the voyage of Belge. He theorized that uplift and subsidence of earth crust under the ocean formed the atoll. Darwin set out a sequence of 3 stages in atoll formation: a fringing reef from around an extinct volcanic island. As the island and ocean floor subsides, as the subsidence continues, the fringing reef becomes a barrier reef and ultimately an atoll reef. These are some diagrams showing formation of coral reefs, and this is Darwin theory starts with volcanic Iceland, which becomes extinct. Next one, as the Iceland and ocean floor subside, coral reef build a fringing reef, which is around the seashores, often including a shallow lagoon between the land and the main reef. This third one shows as the subsidence continue, the fringing reef become a large barriers. Reef, this is from up to 200 kilometers from the seashores. This is become a large barrier reef further from the shore with a bigger and deeper lagoon inside. And last one, this is ultimately the Iceland sink below the sea and the barrier reef become an atoll enclosing an open lagoon. Darwin predicted that underneath each lagoon would be a bedrock base, the remains of original volcano. Darwin theory followed from his understanding that coral polyps thrive in the tropic water, where the water is agitated but can only live within a limited depth range, starting just below low tide, where the level of the underlying earth allows the coral reef around the coast to form fringing reef and can eventually grow to become a barrier reef. This is the fringing reef can take 10,000 years to form, and an atoll can take up 30 million years to form. Where the bottom is rising, fringing reef can grow around the coast, but coral raised above sea level dies. If the land subsides slowly, the fringing reef keep pace by growing upwards on the base of the folder, dead coral forming a barrier reef enclosing a lagoon between the reef and the land. A barrier reef can encircle an island, and once the island sink below sea level, a roughly circle below atoll of growing coral continue to keep up with the sea level, forming a central lagoon. Barrier reef and atoll do not usually form complete circles, but are broken in places by storms. Like sea level rise rapidly subsiding, bottom can overwhelm coral reef, killing the coral and the reef due to what is called coral drying. Corals that rely on zooxanthella can die when the water becomes too deep for their symbionts to adequately photosynthesize due to decreased light exposure. Two main variables determining the geomorphology or shape of coral reef are the nature of substrate on which they rest and the history of change in sea level relative to the substrate. The approximately 20,000 years old Great Barrier Reef offers an example how coral reef formed on continental shelves. Sea level was then 120 meter lower than the 21st century. As sea level rose, the water and the coral encroached on what had been hills of Australian coastal plain. 13,000 years ago, sea level had risen up to 60 meters lower than at present, and many hills of coastal plains had become continentalized. Material that is in coral reefs, as the name implies, coral reef are made up of coral skeleton from mostly intact coral colonies. As other chemical elements present in coral become incorporated into the calcium carbonate deposits, egronite is formed. However, shell fragment and the remains of coralline algae such as the green segmented genus Helimidae can add to the reef's ability to withstand damage from storm and other threats. Types. There are three types of coral reefs, mainly fringing reefs. Those are near the seashores. Just the diagram shows fringing reef, barrier reef, and atoll. Fourth one is also there is table reef. This is fringing reef. This is fringing reef, also called a shore reef, is it directly attached to shore or borders it with an intervening narrow, shallow channel or lagoon. It is the most common reef type. Fringing reef follow coastline and extended for many kilometers. They are usually less than 100 meters wide, but some are 100 to meters wide. Fringing reef are initially formed on the shore at the low water level, expand seawards as they grow in size. The final widths depend on the sea bed begins to drop steeply. The surface of fringing reef generally remains at the same height, just below the waterline. In order fringing reef, whose outer region pushed far out into sea, the inner part is depend on the. This one is barrier reef. Barrier reef is separated from mainland or Iceland shore by a deep channel known as lagoon. They resemble the later stages of fringing reef and its lagoon, but differ from the latter mainly in size and origin. The lagoon can be several kilometers wide. Lagoon may be 30 to 70 kilometers deep and wide. Above all, the offshore outer reef is formed in open water rather than next to shore-like. The best known and largest example of barrier reef is Australian Great Barrier Reef. These are the reef diagrams, platform reefs, atoll, and this is atoll. Atoll or atoll reef are a more or less circular or continuous barrier reef that extends all the way around a lagoon without a central island. They are usually formed from fringing reef around volcanic island. Over time, the island erodes away and sinks below sea level. Atoll may be formed by sinking of the sea bed or rising the sea level. A ring of reef results, within which enclose a lagoon. Atoll are numerous in South Pacific, which they usually occur in mid-ocean, for example, Caroline Islands. These are some diagrams of reefs. Bank reef, isolated flat top reef on the bank of the sea. Now zones. Coral reef ecosystem contain distinct zones that host different kinds of habitat. Usually 3 major zones are recognized. The fore reef, reef crest, and back reef, frequently referred to as the reef lagoon. The 3 zones are physically and ecologically interconnected: reef life and oceanic.